What's going on, YouTube? I'm excited. We're gonna upgrade from the Bell Qualifier. Very nice helmet. Very inexpensive. Good first helmet. To the Shoei RF-1400. Let's get into it. Pin lock, shield, instructions, chin curtain, pretty nice bag. That is the Shoei RF-1400, dedicated to. I absolutely love the look of this helmet. Comes with a clear visor. I do have a transition lens. I'll be doing a review on that. See, a lot of people complain about this middle latch, but see how it works. This feels a lot nicer than the Bell helmet. Yeah, the padding, you can definitely tell the padding in the Shoei is a lot more premium. Standard D-ring. It says this helmet's heavier than the Bell, but honestly I can't feel too much of a difference. But I'm excited. On one of my next videos, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to transfer my GoPro, my vlogging setup. I have a GoPro 9 with a Purple Panda microphone. I'll be transferring that and installing it on the Shoei. Also, I will be installing a chin mount. Yeah, I'm excited. Looks good. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to get out there and just hear how quiet it is compared to the Bell. The Bell is so loud. One of the things I really don't like about the Bell is how much wind noise comes in the helmet. Part of that is I don't think it was properly sized to me. I went into the shop, of course, being my first helmet. I asked the guy, you know, what was pretty inexpensive at the time that he recommended, and this was one of the helmets he recommended, and obviously I like the looks of it, so I went ahead and picked it up. But not really knowing or understanding how a helmet should fit. And it is a medium, which fits okay, but I think it's just a little loose. And after it broke in, it definitely, I could tell it was a little too big. For the Shoei, I was in between sizes, so on their website it recommends that if you're in between sizes you go with the smaller size, and this is a small, and I was really hesitant to go down to a smaller size, but I went ahead and listened to them. So we'll see how it fits. It doesn't look like I'll have any troubles, but let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's see how it. I don't have the chin curtain installed yet. It's a little tight. I have to move my ears around. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Oh yeah, I'm glad I went with the small. When I measured my head, it was I can't remember how much in inches, but it was 56.5 centimeters, so it was right in between sizes. Yeah, that's going to be really nice. I could already tell how quiet that's going to be. I'm excited. Alright. Well, awesome. On the next video, again, I'm going to be installing my vlogging setup, transferring over to the Shoei. I'll also be doing a review on the transition lens. It is winter, so I'm not going to be able to get the best performance out of it. So we'll see what we can do. I'll also be installing the pin lock into the transition shield. I think that's it. I'm excited. Until next time, see you later.